Hey guys, H-Town Werewolf. I brought out a pistol. Yeah, I know I don't have very much pistol footage on the channel. This is my FNX-45 tactical. I don't shoot it much, but this is one of the very first pistols I got. I really like this thing, so I'm gonna do some shooting. And you know, hopefully it's still sighted in. All right, stand by. Also, I just realized in my other videos, I wasn't wearing any eye pro. Shame on me. I will probably add something into the other videos. You get carried away. All right, just got 230 grain ball. And yeah, I'm just gonna take some shots. Hopefully it's still sighted in. Oh yeah. Nice. FNX Tactical 45. Man, I really dig this thing. I'm gonna borrow the suppressor from the Chris Vector, so I will take some shots suppressed. Got the suppressor on this boy. Look how long it is. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna load up some rounds. All right, maybe the point of impact hasn't shifted too bad. So let's see. No, still good. Nice. Man, feels really good. All right, got one more mag. You know what? Let me change the angle a little bit. Okay. So you guys can see it from the side. How about that? Yeah, that's better. All right, here we go. Nice. All right, let me see. All right, here we go. There it is. Chris Vector 45, or sorry, FNX 45 tactical suppressed. Oh man. Well, that's all I got for you guys. The YHM Sidewinder 45. I'm running a Hollow Sun 407 with the red dot and the what is it, the solar panel. I haven't changed the battery out on this thing in, I don't know, a couple of years. I think they say 50,000 hours on it. So I'm also running a Surefire X300. This is the kind that you have to have a little nub right here to tighten it down. It's not the ones that just lock into place. And man, one of the claim to fame on this thing back in the day is that this was a 45 that had 15 round capacity. I think the only other one at the time was the Glock 21. I think that one has 15 rounds also. But this one came with the suppressor height sights and a threaded barrel. So this was all the hotness. Man, in Call of Duty, this was the pistol to have in Call of Duty. So just took some shots with it. I don't shoot my pistols too much. I do have quite a few pistols, but I seem to be focusing on the rifles a little bit more, but I will start doing some more pistol shooting. Leave some comments down below if you guys want to see anything else that I have to shoot pistol wise. All right, guys. Well, short video. FNX-45 tactical in FDE. Oh man, if you guys haven't noticed, I love FDE. All right, guys, I'm out.